It's October 16th, 2019, and I am just about to start extracting some honey. This honey is from a property that my parents have in Uxbridge, not too far from Toronto, where I am right now. This year I'm going to be heading out on a trip with the motorcycle in a couple of weeks, so I won't have time to do any of the pasteurizing or the bottling. So I wanted to show you a little bit of what it's like. I really enjoy doing it. I seem to learn a lot each time. And it's a lot of fun.
Love things, won't you leave the winter could bring dark as spring, hell on your face, dirt on the walls in the back of the place, girl and complain. Father three, won't you believe that one's in between, one's out of blame, fickle faith, cynics that see that the children cursed to believe.
Okay, so I've moved the honey from the extractor and I've put it into the unit that we use to pasteurize the honey. There's a lot of wax on top of the honey, which is totally normal to the process. Even during pasteurizing it, you can actually skim the surface and remove a lot of that wax. Okay, so yesterday we extracted all the honey from these supers here, and what's left are those ones right there. There's a lot more honey in those than I thought there would be. Alright, this is the last super I have left. I'm gonna come back tomorrow and finish. Okay, it's the start of the third day. Over the past 2 days, I've collected 6 pails of honey. I have 1.5 supers left to extract. Okay, so all of the honey has been extracted. It hasn't been pasteurized or bottled yet, where my sister's going to be home in a couple of weeks and we'll do that. In total, I got just under 8 buckets of honey. Every year presents its own challenges. I really enjoy the extraction process. I wish I was a little bit more involved with helping my dad with the beekeeping side of things, but somewhere down the line, if I'm ever closer to home, I'll be sure to learn the ropes a little bit more and try some new things.